Hey, what's up, WordPress badasses? It's Drew from HELIX Managed WordPress Hosting. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install and work with themes using Encrypted FTP, which is the way you have to do it when you host WordPress with HELIX. So let's take a quick look. The first thing you have to realize is that when you're working with HELIX, you're not going to go into your WordPress backend and do a quick one-click install of a theme. So you have to get the theme that you want, download it onto your computer. In this case, I've picked a free theme called Rocked. And I downloaded the theme to my Mac. When you download a theme, it'll come as a zip file. So before you can do anything with that, first we have to unzip it. So now I have a folder on my Mac called Rocked. I've unzipped it. Now I have to move that theme up into my WordPress site. So I'm going to go to my FTP client, which I've already got pre-configured here. It's FileZilla. Here's my host name. Here's my username and my password, which you should already have for your site. Now we're connected. We're going to go into the public HTML directory to WP content. And inside the WP content directory, we'll see a themes directory. So we need to be in that themes directory. Now we're going to go over to our folder on our local computer on my Mac. I'm going to pick my Rocked folder. I'll just make sure I have that refreshed properly. And now I'm going to drag Rocked up into the themes. And some themes are very large. They'll take a minute or two to upload. And some themes are small. This one seems to be pretty small. There's only another 20 files or so. So once it's uploaded and you see it's done, now let's pop on over to the site. So here's the site as it is right now. If I refresh it, you see it's just a plain old WordPress site. There's nothing special about it. Brand new install. So if I go into my dashboard and I go into themes, now I can pick which theme I want to be the active theme. Right now, 2019 is the active theme. This is the theme that I want. This is Rocked. I just uploaded it. So now I'm going to activate that theme. So now the theme Rocked is activated. And if we go back to the site, as you can see, now it looks differently. So that was pretty easy to do, right? It's a little different than the usual one-click install that you do with a theme. But when we do it this way, it allows us to keep very restrictive file permissions and execution permissions on the HELIX server clusters. So it keeps your site much less likely to be defaced by the bad guys. Now let's say that you wanted to get rid of this theme. You're not going to use it anymore. So let's go back to themes. All right, we don't like Rocked anymore. We're going to go back to the 2019 theme. We'll just activate the 2019 theme. And we'll go back to the site. And we should be back to standard 2019. Now let's go back to our FTP, FileZilla in this case. And if I had disconnected, I would have to get back into it. So here we'll do that. Disconnect. Let's pretend we're starting a new session. I would just connect again. Go into public HTML, into WP content, and then into themes. And I would see, here's my Rocked folder. We're done with that theme. We don't want it anymore. I'm just going to use my FTP client to delete it. It'll delete it from the server. There's not a whole lot to delete. This will go pretty quick. And we're back in business. If we go here and go to themes, you'll see that Rocked is no longer a choice, just the stock WordPress themes. So that's kind of the way that works. So that's about all there is to it. If you ever need any help, not sure, have questions, you can always hit us up on the web. iamhelix.com/support. Reach out and touch us. We'll do whatever we can to help you out. Thank you for stopping by and have a great day.